Hi everyone, this is Dr. Lahari from Leo Dental, Bangalore. Teeth cleaning, maintenance of a clean oral cavity and keeping the oral cavity clean is the prime aspect that determines our oral health. Generally, when normal people brush their teeth, normal people keep their teeth clean, it's a normal everyday procedure. But once a patient who is undergoing clips treatment or orthodontic treatment, it becomes little difficult to maintain their oral hygiene. Many doubts and many suspicions arise that how to keep my teeth clean, how to maintain my gum health. So orthodontic treatment or a clips treatment is very demanding in the sense of oral health maintenance. So when you are going for an orthodontic treatment or a clips treatment, you have to be double or extra careful in maintenance of your oral health. Instead of normal brushing, your number brushing should be increased by 1 to 2 minutes to reach all the braces, all the wires and the elastic and the ligatures that has been done in your oral cavity. Generally, if we are brushing once per day with orthodontic treatment, it's a mandate that you brush in the morning and in the night too. And separate uni-tufted brushes which have only one tuft of nylon bristles which are soft would be suggested to you by your doctor. You have to use a uni-tufted brush to individually clean each and every of your bracket. And due to the etching of teeth during the fixation of brackets, the teeth structure would be rightly decalcified. So the doctor would suggest you to use a fluoridated mouthwash which you have to use without fail. There are certain mouthwashes in the market and available in the pharmaceuticals also which actually make your teeth stronger during the orthodontic therapy and prevent formation of dental caries because of the food lodgement. Any orthodontist, once they initiate the treatment, they advise you to use a uni-tufted brush, a floss and a fluoridated mouthwash or a mouth rinse. Don't take them very light. Along with your normal oral hygiene regime, after you have entered into an orthodontic treatment, 5 mandatory rules have to be followed. Brushing twice daily, using a uni-tufted brush without fail, using a fluoridated mouth rinse and then gargling or rinsing the mouth every time you eat something irrespective of the time and the being, you have to use it, and regular checking for white spots or brown spots in and around the brackets. All these 5 things you have to meticulously follow every day so that your oral health would be maintained in its epic position even when you are undergoing a orthodontic treatment.